Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. When Razza-D transforms, he becomes the Wolfman. The Wolfman. Oh, oh, oh. Wolf. I'm a wolf running through my veins. I'm a wolf and I'll beat your veins with my teeth. Yum, 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 yum. The Wolfman is the Razza-D. Bad publicity is beaten to become the beast. The Wolfman is the Razza to the D. Wolf, 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 wolf. I'm a wolf. When the moon comes out, it's a full moon. Oh, oh, oh.
When the moon is full, Razza-D transforms. He becomes the Wolfman.
Oh, oh, oh. Wolf, wolf, wolfman walks the streets of the Gold Coast, walking through surfers paradise with my pants torn and my shirt off, looking for a victim. Is a girl in the corner of the room. Walk up to us, hey, hi, hi, I'm the Wolfman in your ear. Bite her on the neck, blood pissing out. Now she's the wolf woman, looking for another victim while the night moon's still high in the sky. There's another girl at a club in the corner of the room again. Wolfman walks in, says, hello, how you going, darling? I'm the Wolfman, bit her on the leg, and then I said, go for the neck and chunk it out with the blood spewing out. That's another victim to the Wolfman.
When the moon is full, Razza-D transforms. He becomes the Wolfman.
Oh, oh, oh. Walking through the streets, McDonald's is the next target. Walk in, there's a lady there sitting eating a hamburger. Wolfman says, what's up, girl? You better run, run, run. Oh, 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 the moon's going down, so I better hurry up and bite her on the face. Yeah, kick from bad publicity with the lace. Lace the taste to the Wolfman's base. The face of the Razza-D swollen into a wolf with big teeth. Shirts off, muscles showing. Wolfman's pumped up. 3 victims tonight, now I'm getting in my car and driving up. Back to Rabina area. The moon's going down, so I better hurry up.
When the moon is full, Razza-D transforms. He becomes the Wolfman.
Oh, oh, oh. Should I break into a house? I don't know. Walk up to a girl on the road. It's the Wolfman, bit her in the neck. Ah, ah. Oh, oh. That's the 4th victim. She's lying there bleeding out. She's a victim to the Wolfman. Ah, ah. Oh, oh. Wolfman's about to turn back into Razza-D. Publicity and the D are both wolves. Wolves everywhere, everywhere. Watch out for the Wolfman in the Gold Coast.
When the moon is full, Razza-D transforms. He becomes the Wolfman.
Oh, oh, oh.